Good day, wonderful learners! Welcome to our channel. Do irregular verbs drive you crazy? Seeing a huge list of words to remember can be really scary. But don't worry, most of them follow sound and spelling patterns. Once you know them, memorizing will be so much easier. In this video, we'll go through the most useful words together, and by the end you will have a simple trick which you can use again and again for any new words you learn. Let's get started! The first group of our verbs has the same form for the past simple and the past participle, and both end with ot. For example, bring, brought, brought. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Teach, taught, taught. Think, thought, thought. Fight, fought, fought. For example, I usually buy my coffee at 9 in the morning. I bought a coffee yesterday. I've bought too much coffee this week. All these verbs rhyme with bought. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Teach, taught, taught, and so on. If you know one of this group, you'll know them all. Our next group has all three forms which are the same. For example, put, put, put. Cut, cut, cut. Let, let, let. Hit, hit, hit. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Shut, shut, shut. Cost, cost, cost. For example, I put my phone on the charger every night. I put it on the charger last night. I've already put it on the charger. So in this group, you need to know only one form and two others will be repeated. The next groups have vowel changes. This group is like a song. The vowel dances through I, A, U. Let's have a look at some examples. Begin, began, begun. Drink, drank, drunk. Seen, sang, song. Rin, ran, run. Swim, swam, swam. For example, I sing in a choir on Sundays. I sang at the concert last night. I've sung in many concerts. As you can see in these verbs, in the past simple, the vowel changes to the letter A. And in the past participle, the vowel changes to the letter U. Another group where vowel changes happen, the group where the base word has the letter O in the past and the letters O plus EN in the participle. For example, break, broke, broken. Speak, spoke, spoken. Wake, woke, woken. Choose, chose, chosen. For example, it's running time and I'm going to break my personal record. I broke my personal record yesterday. I have broken my personal record 3 times this month. In our next group, the form of the past simple and the past participle are the same. For example, keep, kept, kept. Sleep, slept, slept. Feel, felt, felt. Leave, left, left. For example, I keep all my receipts. I kept them in a folder last year. I've kept them in a folder since January. Of course, these are not all the regular verbs, but if you know at least these ones, you can memorize them much more easily and quickly, which will help you use them confidently in speaking and writing. So here is a real trick. Don't memorize all irregular verbs one by one. Most of them belong to small families. They sound alike or change vowels in the same way. Learn each group together, like bought, caught, taught, or seen, sang, sung. Then you'll only have a few true rule breakers left to learn, such as put or cut. That's the simple trick. Find the patterns, group the families, and your list will suddenly feel much shorter. That's all for today. I hope this explanation was useful for you. If you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time here.